Raylene with Roots Restored Wellness. I get this question a lot. What is the difference between a healing pod and a quantum healing group session? First off, healing pods are meant to be targeted, instantaneous healing for when you need it most. If you have a migraine, you can book the pain pod. If you're struggling to sleep, you can book the sleep pod. The beauty of these pods is they can start as soon as you sign up, or if you set the intention for the pod to start in the middle of a flight or at a specific time, it can also start then for a specific duration up to a week's amount of time. Healing pods are very cost effective and very simple to book. They don't require any other effort on your part. And the example that I like to use with these is that they are like a spa day where you go and you receive a body treatment. It's not getting to the root deepest causes of the imbalances in your body, but it's clearing you so you can continue forward with what you need to do. On the other hand, my group sessions are the deepest way that I offer for you to access the root causes of imbalances in your body. These can range from anywhere from 1 to 7 days, and I do targeted deep clearing through ancestry, digging through what are the very root causes of the imbalances in your body. And I clear a ton of imbalances, as many as your body will let me. With the group sessions, you also receive very detailed notes of some of the things that I release. Some of these notes are up to 7 pages long, depending on which session you choose. And group sessions are simple too. You sign up, go about your life, and know that sometime within the day you signed up, I will work on that group session for you. And there are also 40 different topics that you can choose for group sessions, including pathogens, detoxing, mental and spiritual health and wellness, core issues. So I love both of these options, and they both serve a really beautiful purpose. One, the pods, healing pods, are for targeted immediate assistance. If you need something right now and maybe you're going on a vacation for a week and you normally don't sleep well on a vacation, you could book the 7-day sleep pod. If your pet is going to have surgery or going to struggle with something, a new transition, you could book the pet health and balance pod for 1 day, 3 days, or 7 days, however many days your pet needs it. If you're struggling with late stage Lyme disease like I was for 28 years, maybe it's not 28 years for you, it's less or more. You could book an in-depth group session for 1 or 4 days, and we can release the reasons why your body is allowing that energy to stick with it. So hopefully this video gave you some clarity on the differences between what is a healing pod and a quantum healing group session. I hope that I will see you in one of my next sessions soon.